Part point 2, open the door. After turn on, enter the background. Open the door. Internal arrangement/replacement, the placement of the inside of the machine after unpacking, that means, the position of each item in the packaged state, including the extractor and baffle, material box and pressing block and baffle. Installation and placement of paper cups and lids. Installation of the coffee extractor. With chiller, power plug-in/drain valve closed, switch next to waste bucket.